Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So for today's video, I've got some really cool hairstyles that you can carry with almost every Indian outfit that you'll be wearing this Diwali and even for all the weddings that you'll be attending this year. So I've already shared some outfit options, makeup and also jewelry. So I will link that playlist in for you guys over here somewhere in the corner and in the description box down below. You can check that out. Now it's finally time for some hairstyles. So let's just dive right into the video. For the first hairstyle, I've taken the front section of the hair and I'm making a normal braid. Keep in mind to not take too much of your hair as you'll be making 2 more braids. At the end of the braid, just secure it with a teeny tiny rubber band. It should not be too big that would be visible. And as I told you, in a similar manner, take small sections and make 2 more similar braids. Once you're done with 3 braids, use all the 3 to make one simple braid. Lastly, using a bobby pin, tuck it to the side and you're done. It looks like a lot of effort, but it really isn't. For the next one, take a section from the center of one side of your hair and start making a braid. You can take a thicker section this time for more volume. And then again secure it with a teeny tiny rubber band. Just loosen the braid a bit to add more volume. Repeating the same thing on the other side, taking this section from the center of the other side, making a braid, securing it with a rubber band and then loosening it a bit to add more volume. The final step, take one braid and move it to the other side and secure it with a bobby pin. Repeat with the other braid as well. And there you go, the hairstyle is just complete. It gives an illusion of a hairband and also adds more volume to the crown area. Last hairstyle, I'm taking the front section of the hair, dividing it into 2 parts and then just twisting it around to make an illusion of a braid. And then again securing it with a rubber band and loosening it a bit to add more volume. And again just tuck it to the back with a bobby or a tic-tac pin. And there you go, the last hairstyle is also complete. So this is it for today's video guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Please do hit the like button, subscribe button and also the bell button to get notified each time I upload a video and keep coming back for more videos.